soup I want cook, I go use native fish, aka bewarie. I go use pomo, I go use crayfish, I go use pepper, cut ice fish, blended ogbono, Thailand fish, curry. See the way I like cook my ogbono. I dey use bitter leaf and fresh pepper. Remind you, don't blend the pepper, just pour inside ogbono like that. Make sure say you use your fresh pepper when you blend, or dry pepper. Use and cook your protein. Any of your protein you want use and cook am well. Put maggi and salt. It go sweet. Ogbono no need plenty things. We see ogbono need na crayfish, maggi, pepper, finish, and salt. If you put any other thing, na counterfeit. Use your blended pepper. Use and cook all the protein you want use. Then later on check and I don't cook. You see this bewarie, very stubborn. As a stubborn of water, and so it's stubborn